Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Leadpages versus Instapage. With over 250 ready-to-use templates and a drag-and-drop builder, you can easily boost your sales and leads. Use Instapage if landing pages are your main focus. With a large ad budget, you may run several paid media campaigns. For an enterprise solution, you're willing to spend more. You're probably comfortable using a form editor, as you have experience with software. You're part of a larger group, and you want to work together in real time. Use Leadpages if you want to create a landing page or a whole website. As an entrepreneur, you're probably not working with a large marketing team. You want to make sure that you're not spending too much money on creating more pages. You need a simple and intuitive grid style for your web design. You're looking for an inexpensive plan. You can easily DIY digital marketing. We make it so that you don't have to resort to plugins or endure web designer drama. Websites, landing pages, alert bars, and pop-ups. Code-free drag and drop builder. Mobile responsive templates. SEO-friendly pages. Powerful integrations. Opt-in form builder. Real-time conversion tips. Simplified analytics. A/B testing. Try Leadpages risk-free today. Discover why more than 40,000 small business owners choose Leadpages. Select a plan to get started with your free 14-day trial. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.